In this video, we'll cover the essential steps and best practices for installing an Athena flat or side-molded acrylic shower wall liner. Before installing any Athena product, ensure you have the printed installation manual on hand. Before installation, check that the area being covered by the wall liner is not jib-stopped, sealed, or painted, as these surfaces will prevent the shower bond adhesive from adhering. Measure and cut out holes in the wall liner for any tapware. Trial fit the wall liner by offering it into the rear corner of the tray. The liner must not protrude from the front edge of the shower tray, as this may affect the door installation. If the liner doesn't sit flat on the tray, it may be scribed and trimmed using a hand plane. Mark a line around the perimeter of the wall liner with a pencil. Ensure that the wall board and rear of the wall liner are free from dirt, dust, and any debris. To reduce static, wipe the rear of the liner with a damp cloth. Apply a continuous 10 mm bead of silicone sealant along the inside edge of the tray upstand. Apply the sealant to the top half of the upstand to minimize it from squeezing out under the liner when fitted. Then, apply a vertical bead of silicone 20 mm in from the front edge to the full height of the tray upstand. Using the supplied shower bond adhesive, apply 6 mm vertical beads spaced 100 mm apart, staying 20 mm in from the marked outline of the wall liner. Installation of the liner must be completed within 15 minutes of application to avoid the adhesive curing prematurely. Place the wall liner into position and press firmly over the entire surface. Clean up any excess sealant or adhesive that may have seeped out. Seal the top edge of the wall liner with a suitable sealant. If you are painting the wall surface, use a paintable sealant. The Athena Flat or side-molded acrylic shower wall liner installation is now complete and ready for the door set to be fitted. Key points to remember. For detailed instructions, always refer to the installation manual supplied with the Athena product. Failing to follow the printed installation instructions may void the warranty.